I have made a review video on SUI and APTOS in which we had talked about the origin of both projects, their respective technology, and what the future may look like for both projects, including price predictions of their respective tokens. In this video, we will compare SUI and APTOS and try to determine which one is a better option. As Layer-1 blockchains, they aim to provide a scalable, secure, and user-friendly adoption for decentralized applications. While they share a common origin, SUI and APTOS have distinct approaches and features that set them apart. Both SUI and APTOS were conceived by former Facebook employees who work on the Libra project. However, they have taken different paths since their inception. SUI was founded by Miston Labs, while APTOS Labs is responsible for developing APTOS. Although they share a similar origin, they took a different path towards the same approach, that is to become the world's best production-ready blockchain that is both scalable and fast. Today, we will compare their technology performance, tokenomics, and adoption and determine which is a better choice of investment for future returns. But do keep this in mind that this is not going to be an investment or a financial advice. So make sure to do your own investigation and research. As of this moment, APTOS is sitting at a market cap of 3.4 billion and SUI is at 2.4 billion. So APTOS has the lead in this regard. But this gap can be covered rather easily with a slight shift of narrative. So let's talk about the factors that will determine the future of both these projects. First, let's talk about the technology. SUI employs a proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanism, similar to many other blockchain networks. This mechanism ensures network security and incentivizes participation from the validators. APTOS, on the other hand, utilizes a Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus mechanism, which is known for its high fault tolerance and scalability. Both SUI and APTOS use the Move programming language, which was originally developed for Libra. Move is designed to be secure and efficient, making it an attractive choice for developers building on these platforms. SUI utilizes directed acyclic graph data structure, while APTOS employs a traditional blockchain structure. This difference in data structure can impact the scalability and performance of the networks. Now, if we talk about scalability and performance, both SUI and APTOS aim to achieve high transaction throughput, enabling them to handle a large number of transactions efficiently. SUI's database architecture and asynchronous consensus mechanism are designed to enhance the scalability. APTOS, with its BFT consensus and parallel processing capabilities, also prioritizes scalability. Both platforms support the execution of smart contracts, allowing developers to build decentralized applications. However, the specific features and capabilities of their smart contract environments may differ. Both SUI and APTOS are actively building developer ecosystems to attract and support developers. This includes providing documentation, SDKs, and other tools to facilitate application development. The growth of DApps on both platforms will be crucial for the long-term success. The availability of a diverse range of DApps can attract users and stimulate network activity. Now finally, let's talk about tokenomics. Both SUI and APTOS have native tokens, SUI and APT respectively, that serve as the backbone of their respective ecosystems. These tokens are used for transaction fees, governance, and the staking. The distribution of tokens can significantly impact the project's dynamics. Both SUI and APTOS have their own token distribution plans, which may vary in terms of allocation and vesting schedules. SUI and APTOS are two promising Layer-1 blockchain with the potential to reshape the decentralized landscape. While they share a common origin, their distinct approaches and features make them unique contenders. The choice between SUI and APTOS ultimately depends on specific requirements and the preferences. Developers and investors will need to carefully evaluate factors such as scalability, security, developer experience, and the tokenomics to determine the best fit for their needs. As both projects continue to evolve and mature, it will be interesting to see how they compare in terms of performance, adoption, and long-term success.